Welcome back, guys, to the next episode of Straight 6 Auto Parts. Again, we're here in beautiful California working on these cars. Yeah, I know, I need to get the haircut. So today we have 2009 BMW 335 E93 convertible that came to us from Sacramento area, and it has rear end damage. It's pretty bad rear end damage. The car has 73,000 miles only, and it's very low mileage for N54 engine. And also this engine might be 6-bolt on the crank because it's the 2009, and as we know, in 2009 it can be both. It can be 8-bolt engine or 6-bolt engine. I wish it's gonna be 6-bolt engine so we can sell it for 335 IS or for people who wants to do the swap for DCT transmission. Let's go ahead and have a look at the car, what's the condition and what is working, what's not, and I will show you all the details, all the damages and everything. Let's go ahead. You might think that the car has M Sport package on it, but it's just a front bumper, and unfortunately it has some damage on it, right here crack and here, but we still have all lower grills and beautiful matte kidney grills. Headlights are good, lenses are good. This one is a little bit foggy, but it's okay, it can be buffed out. And here we have some suspension damage. As you can see, the wheel is like, how can I show you this? Like this. So I assume that the control arm got damaged, and here is the damage to the rim. I'm looking at the paint, and I think the whole car has been painted. Looks like, yeah, definitely the whole car has been painted already. On the back we have a good set of Federal tires, 265 35 18s. Cool, nice one. And I think we have only 2 rear good wheels. And yeah, as I said, here is our rear end damage right here. Nothing survived in here except of the one tail light and the spoiler. Oh wow, what ugly spoiler. That's what usually happen in California, in Arizona, in Texas, New Mexico, and all the sunny states. You can see that it's just peeling off, or I don't even know what's happening to it. It's just because of the sun, like kind of exposure. What? It is written in Russian, Petya Loch, which means like some guy with his name is Petya, and he's like an asshole, or how can I explain it? Yeah. Okay, that that's funny actually. I never seen that, I just noticed that. And we have the rear passenger quarter jammed all the way in, and let's see what's in the trunk. Yeah, look at it. So some kind of pickup truck rear-ended this car, and it went over that reinforcement bar. That's why the damage is so significant to the car. It looks scary. But we still have the roof pump right here intact, amplifier, and there is additional amplifier for subwoofer, I think. We'll check that later. And I think that's it. Of course, the battery in here, battery is intact, it's good. Let's keep going. And as I said, yes, here is another federal tire on the back, and this wheel is got damaged as well right here, so it's gonna be for scrap. Besides the damage on the back and a little bit in the front, the car looks good. And as you can see, we already sold the mirror from here. It's not missing, we just sold it. And the car has beautiful silver color with gray interior, or silver interior, how would you say it? I like the silver because that way it can be matching with the color of the car. Actually, it's not as bad. I honestly don't like the gray color of the interior, but on the silver color on silver car looks okay. But this one is not okay. It's something that needs to be replaced definitely for carbon, or maybe at least the silver one. Inside, so we have, of course, 2009 comes with the CIC navigation right here. We have a lot of sun in here. Let's sit on the back, maybe it's gonna be better so I can show you the interior of the car. Oh yeah, it's definitely way better. It's so small, don't have a space in here in the convertible. Where should I put my knee? Like, what's going on? So 2009 comes with pre-LCI, what's it called, shifters, the old style shifters. Just a regular sport steering wheel, but it's not M Sport. We don't have that logo in here, and we have the silver pieces right here. Then what else we have? As I already mentioned, the CIC navigation right here, and then heated seats right here at the bottom, right here. Then, and that's pretty much it. Beautiful wood interior trim, beautiful. And as we can see, we don't even need to do the cup holder test in here. It's already damaged, as we can see from here, from the back. Harman Kardon, but at least hi-fi, not the base one. And as you can see in here, we have our headrest deployed because of the rear end accident. And this one is good. Oh yeah, the airbag didn't deploy because that's the rear end accident. There is no reason to deploy for the driver's side airbag. I think this is it as far as the interior. The condition is okay. Some scratches in here, and yeah, as I said, the beautiful wood trim, and that face mask. Oh, and signs of coffee right there, as you can see. Beautiful coffee or tea or something sweet. Let's step outside and take a look what's under the hood, if we have something. But how you supposed to sit in here, I don't even know. Look at me, I'm like 5'10". I'm not that big guy, and if I put the seat back, it's like there is no space. Let me get out of here. Ugh. Hate the convertibles. Then we have roof trim intact. I know it's the common problem for all the convertibles. This portion of the roof trim and the one on the other side. Oh yeah, and we have rear headrest deploys. It's not the headrest actually, it's the rollover bars. They got deployed. Comfort access door handle in here, beautiful. Oh yeah, I forgot, I was about to show you what's under the hood. And as you can see in here, 73,476, and that's me. Then we got some lumber delivered. Cool. And actually, this hood is not from this car. The hood from this car, we already sold it, and we swapped with the same color hood just because we have one scratch in here and one scratch in here. The customer didn't want to get the hood, this hood, and he asked us to get the hood from this car, so we had to swap it. And here is our stock N54 engine in here. I like the stock cars because usually they well maintained, and it has only 73,000 miles. And look at the oil filter housing, it's so clean. I don't see what's in front of the engine, but I can definitely tell we have stock downpipe, so everything is stock. It's super cool car. Low mileage, stock, and very good condition, run and drive, and rear end damage. So we have the whole front end in here. I don't know why it's filming in wide angle. I think it's better now. Okay, so I think this is it about the car, and let me actually show you how you can start the car if you have the car like this with the blown positive cable and you cannot start the car. Let me bring the jump boxes and I will show you where to connect them and how to start the car. Okay, here is our two jump boxes. We need both of them. Let me do the wide angle, it's gonna be better. First, let's put whichever you like first. The positive cable, one of them. The first one. We have the black cover right here, and so we need to remove it and throw it away. Then we're gonna have to connect the first positive cable right here on the left bolt, not on the right, on the left. Then the negative cable right here. The second positive cable you're gonna have to connect on this big guy in here. So the small bolt right there and the big guy in here. First negative in here, and the second negative you can just throw in here on the strut bolt. Turn it on, and let's go ahead and start the car. Okay, now we have a juice, and it's beautiful. It's running. Oh wow, we have full tank of gas. Thank you, previous owner. And if you turn off one of them, the car will shut down. Let's see. It's done. It's dead. So you have to connect both of them to those two positive terminals that I showed you. And now we don't have power, we don't have juice, and the key got stuck. You can actually pull it, just pull it hard. And yeah, that's gonna be it as far as educational program for today. And I think we're ready to get the car inside and we'll take it apart, as we always do with cars, except of that one and this one. This is your last time driving this car. Let's go. And this is the end of day one working on this 2009 E93 convertible. And here is what we have. Interior is completely done, as you can see. Nothing left inside. Over here, nothing left in the trunk. Of course, it's empty. And we even folded the roof, or how would you say it, put it all together so it's easier to work inside of the car. We were not able to remove this glass because it's got stuck in it for some reason, maybe because of the damage. I don't see any damage in here, but somehow it got stuck. But that's fine. Also, we prepared the engine for removal. Everything out from here. The suspension is out, radiator support, the whole front end. We actually sold the bumper already, and no radiators, as you can see. Nothing in here left. We just need to take out those bolts, 6 bolts, and the engine is gonna be out. Also, we have a customer who asked us to cut the middle portion of the car because he is trying to install DCT transmission in his BMW 2002. So we're gonna need to help him out, and tomorrow we will remove the carpet and we will cut the
whole thing from, I think from here all the way up there, like from the engine all the way to the back. We need to cut the whole thing from the middle so he can weld it back to his BMW 2002, and it's gonna be DCT transmission. We will see. It's kind of fun project. I hope he can make it work. And oh, and here is our straight exhaust. For some reason they didn't delete those, how do you call them, mid pipes, but they deleted mufflers just to make it louder, or why? And I think the car still has the stock downpipe. Yes, the car has stock downpipe, those middle pieces, but they just deleted mufflers to make the car louder, or why are the guys doing that? You better make it faster, not louder. What's the point to make it louder? And but anyway, our studio is empty. We have fender, have another fender, couple glasses, and I think this is gonna be it for today. Wow, what a beautiful light. This is gonna be it for today. We will get back tomorrow. I'll finish this car. It's gonna be like couple hours, and we will finish this one and get the inside the next one, which is gonna be 2011 BMW E92 335 performance kit. How do you call it? Performance, BMW performance power kit. Our 6 bolts all out from this side and from this side, and we're ready to remove the engine. We're ready to lift up the car. Okay, let's see, let's look at the engine. Looks okay from this side. Just to remind, it's 73,000 miles on the engine, and it looks pretty good. This fitting has been replaced. Why it's so foggy?